going?
No.
It's going? Oh. We all got a shot. You work?
No, it's stuck.
Fails again.
Wow.
Third one. Third failure.
The back one's fine.
Third one in there.
Documenting this shit.
Wow. This is unbelievable.
I used A3.
Don't use A3 either.
Don't use A3.
I'll use it in 5 or 2.
Stupid.
Now there's 3.
Wow.
Someone get 20.
Wow, thanks technology.
I'm gonna try one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna
Video. Okay.
You can't take it.
Look at that. Okay, we're gonna try this again.
Do like A1.
Try this again.
Maybe it's just so that you don't
We're gonna try it.
buy soda because it'll break.
Okay, look, we're trying it again.
Have any of you tried this one?
I don't know. I know, like Coke Zero. Okay.
Try A4.
Alright. A4. Okay.
A4. This is
A4.
There
Alright.
goes.
It's going up.
Don't touch it. It's not gonna work.
You got it?
No, it's fine.
You got it?
No,
You
that's
got it?
Oh!
Oh.
Okay,
Come
so
on.
looking.
Let's see.
It's not gonna work?
No, it's not gonna work.
The other one bites the dust.
There's 4.
Keeps on happening to us.
Wow. This is too
That's all
good.
this money they're wasting.
Oh, God.
Damn.
One of them opened.
What? See, there's a hole. It's spraying.
It's spraying.
Wait, what happened? Spraying out the little hole in the bottom.
This on camera.
Oh yeah, it's spraying.
Look at that.
What's the little hole? It's spraying all over. Oh my God! It's getting on the inside.
We're flooding the submachine.
We're getting this on video here. Keep on buying them until going on YouTube.
Dude, we're flooding it. Look.
Oh my God!
No, you have to.
Oh my God.
We should tell people to get one of those waters so they
Oh,
can
yeah.
it's sticky.
Can you open it?
No, you can't. It slides.
Well, you can barely, like...
No, you can't.
Oh, get the
Oh, one broke.
Yeah, one broke.
Yeah, I know.
And it's spraying everywhere. This
spraying pretty hard.
Too good.
Oh, look at it! Look at that. It's like,
See that? That's technology for you right there.
no, that's just called.
This is a soda machine gone wrong.
Yeah.
It fell in the bottom, it poked a hole, and now it's
Oh my God! Mine worked just fine.
Tristan is a lucky son of a bitch.
Yeah, look, his managed to work.
All the rest is working. Everything sucks with this machine. It's evil.
Yeah, look, I got the best resolution out of all you guys.
No, I got 10.
Yes, you are.
Change variables. Try the other machine.
Okay, we're trying the other one. Let's see if it works.
This is not going to work.
God, I gotta see this.
Oh. If this... It's getting out.
Oh God, it's gonna blow.
If this works, then I'm going to get up on it.
They're gonna be trolling us.
Oh!
It works. Amazing. That is unbelievable.
Bets on whether it'll make it.
Yes, let's start gambling on. Let's start gambling on soda.
I don't care what
Is it still spraying?
Yeah, it's still spraying.
It's still going?
Spraying at the bottom.
It's everywhere.
I was supposed to go work with
Oh God. It's still going?
It's every... Oh, you are? This one.
Yeah.
Whatever gets in there.
Damn.
I'm pretty sure this machine is sentient and it's just fucking with all
I want my money back. Oh, these guys are gonna have a fun time cleaning this up.
There's usually like a code to be able to like reset the damn machine. I figured it out at my old school, so it would just keep spitting out
Look,
code.
exceptional quality insurance.
Please contact 800
Ted, call the number.
Call these people and make sure they pay for their sin machine.
Is it still? It's still going. Oh my God, the whole.
It's still
oh God.
The thing he uses to pick him up.
It punctured a hole and that's still spraying all over the side of the machine.
Should we tell someone?
This stuff is going on YouTube. Maybe, yeah, probably.
If we want this to work.
It's going on 2 beams now.
There's 4 in there?
Yeah,
there's
it
4
dropped
in there.
4 out of 6
Unbelievable.
sodas. Dropped 4 out of 6 sodas.
Wait, why do you guys keep putting your money in?
Because we want to see if it works.
You're wasting money on the
Carn, look.
We're scientists.
Wait, and all of them were 5B?
No, 5B and 3A.
Oh my god.
Dude, yes, keep doing until like
Oh my god, that.
there's like
Yeah, it's a hole in one. It's
spray Coke Zero everywhere.
Cherry Coke Zero.
Okay.
Dude.
Guys, call the number.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Okay, everyone call.
Wait, what's the number? What's the number?
800.
That number.
800.
647.
647.
265.
Okay, we're calling the number right here.
4, 7, 2,
C4.
Oh God.
Right. No, we're calling. We're calling it.
We're calling all we
We're calling the number. We're calling it.
Was 125.
All right, let's see what happens.
It's still going. They need better soda than that.
It's so bad for healthy.
Did I just end my call on accident?
Are you guys like spamming them?
Wait, you got the same message?
Yeah.
No, we're calling them. We're gonna let you see what happens, and they get a voicemail.
Wait, when did they?
Is this still spraying?
I don't know, but look, we're calling them right now, and they're not picking up.
Soda and then it dropped it. Like it dropped it to the bottom of the machine.
It doesn't go like through the thing.
You're not. If that one's yours, I'm not gonna.
The inside is ruined.
Yeah, the inside is screwed up.
What did I just?
I don't know.
Yeah, but the bottom. It's like drops of Coke. That's really bad.
Dude, I've got 8 minutes of this stuff.
That's really bad.
Oh, what?
It's still spraying. It's still
Spraying everywhere.
What the heck?
Oh, there's like. It looks like it's pink.
No, it's the right time. It's 11, so it's okay. It's 11.
It's easy. The video is easy. I'm hungry. They need a snack vending machine.
Yeah, they need a snack machine in here. I bet like they,
Just the normal ones that work 100% of the time.
we should have gotten the Coca-Cola one that was out there yesterday.
Okay, so there's this.
I knew just
And it keeps dropping sodas down to the bottom. The Coca-Cola Cherry Zero and
send a picture. Send a picture.
and regular Coke Zero.
Send a picture.
So no, not for free. Like we would pay, and it would try to it would try to insert it to the thing where you take it out, but it just drops it.
It gets stuck in the
No,
door.
it just drops straight down.
It gets stuck in the door.
No, it went the thing and then like sort of tipped out.
It gets stuck in the door.
Actually trying to fix it.
No, but like a few other people here have, and I'm just the one calling.
Yeah, look, I got all this stuff on
One is
video.
spraying.
Yeah, one kind of broke and it's spraying everywhere.
Machine, it dropped 3 sodas.
Thanks, guys.
4 sodas.
Four
And
Cherry Coke
you
Zeros.
can't access the sodas.
Yeah.
They're still in the machine. And one of them is spraying everywhere.
See?
That's a problem.
Office use only.
Yeah. It's still spraying. Yeah, it's still going.
4,
It's still going.
I have a feeling when people call me,
It's still spraying everywhere.
Let's see.
which bottle is
Our
it?
school and it's all the Coke.
Which bottle is even spraying?
Yeah, it's all Cherry Coke Zeros.
It's all the Cokes. It's like
This
it's
still?
Coke races.
Oh my
They won't
God.
give us
Which
the-
bottle? Oh, I see it. Like the hole.
Wow.
I knew that beat you out.
The outlet number.
And it got me out. Oh.
Is it the one that says official use only or the one that says asset number? Yeah. 4 1 2 4s 8 and 1 3.
8-3.
No, 8 and then there's 1 3.
No, not 1 3. There's one.
Yes. He said
411, 448, and then only 1 3 at the end.
Dude, don't say it.
Stop saying only one.
Yes.
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 Yeah. That's all on
I
video.
went into that expecting a troll, and I actually was very polite and asked her to fix it.
Hello?
There's gonna be like five people showing up.
Yeah, no. It's like spraying all over the machine too.
Yeah, it's
2 requests have already been called in today.
I don't know why.
There's a lot of people frustrated about not getting their Coca-Cola.
No, I have it handled. They're gonna send someone down here, and then they're gonna have like reimbursement coupons in the office for people who lost money.
Oh, make sure to bring enough reimbursement coupons. A lot of people.
It won't go in, and then it'll just drop in.
All right, thank you for your time, sir.
oh, that was good.
Still spraying.
No, it's not.
No, I mean it's great.
Still not just not bubbling
This is
outside.
unbelievable.
What they say?
Look how high it
I
goes.
thought you meant it
How
was
high
like
is this
dropping down free soda.
No, it was dropping down like down there.
No, I mean
That's what's good about it.
It's being a dirty.
I'll say I lost like 5
Oh, I was thinking it was just continuously dropping so we can grab it. I didn't know it was like this stupid kind.
Yeah, this is our new vending machine, guys. It's amazing. It's dropping stuff down there and it's throwing it up. It's amazing.
I brought one. They don't have to do that.
Wait, did it stop?
Yep.
Oh wait, it stopped.
Oh, it just never picked it up. Oh,
Okay, guys, we're gonna send someone over here again. Matt, come on, Sam. Can you move over for a sec?
Okay.
Let's see if this works. Oh wow, look.
It's just
It's gonna work?
covered with soda.
But it keeps on dropping. It gets stuck in the door.
Does he drop that?
It works! This is disappointing in how.
But it's cherry, and I hate cherry.
I'll take it. Yeah, Ted wanted one.
I know, I made it.
Oh, dude, look at that. Amazing. It works. You for it?
Missing.
He's
And there's a whole bunch at the bottom
Oh yeah, look.
that
That's what happened
completely
down there.
missed.
That's why there's a constant huddle over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fantastic. No, these are brought to you by the geniuses at Coke.
Oh, good. I think they're coming to fix it.
so I like.
Thanks,
So
Coca-Cola.
this has nothing to do with us.
Okay.
You already sent like 3
They
requests.
didn't even put any good stuff in here. Diet Coke, Coke Zero, which is actually Diet Coke. It just doesn't say Diet Coke.
They have
Well, the juices are cute.
Hey, yeah.
but they're smaller.
Vitamin waters.